Hey there, fridge owners. If you're staring at the dreaded RF error code 2025 on your LG refrigerator, you're not alone. This error can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In today's video, we'll cover what this code means, why it happens, and how you can troubleshoot it yourself to get your fridge back up and running. First off, let's talk about what the RF error code 2025 actually signifies. In LG fridges, typically stands for error, and RF often relates to issues with the refrigerator's defrost system or a sensor malfunction. This code usually pops up when there's a problem with the defrost heater, a faulty thermostat, or even a blocked evaporator fan. Essentially, your fridge is telling you that it's struggling to maintain the right temperature, which could lead to food spoilage if not fixed quickly. Now, before you call in a professional, there are a few simple steps you can try at home. Start by unplugging your fridge for about 5 minutes to perform a reset. This often clears temporary glitches. Once it's back on, check if the error persists. Next, inspect the vents and coils for any dust or debris buildup, as this can cause overheating and trigger the code. Make sure nothing is blocking airflow inside the fridge, like overpacked shelves. If you're handy, you might want to test the defrost sensor with a multimeter, but if that's not your thing, skip ahead. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to look at more serious causes, like a defective main board or a wiring problem. In that case, it's best to contact an LG certified technician to avoid any safety risks. Remember, dealing with electrical appliances can be dangerous, so always prioritize your safety. There you have it. Everything you need to know about the LG fridge RF error code 2025. By following these tips, you could save yourself a service call and some money. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.